Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about a Windows 10 process that can take up a lot of your CPU and your RAM memory, and that process is called Service Host Agent Activation Runtime. So that process is known for stuff like that, for problems like that, to use a lot of your CPU and your RAM memory, and that is very annoying because you don't necessarily know what happens and you don't know how to fix it. So in this video I'm going to show you a few steps that you can try, and hopefully after watching this video you won't have this problem anymore, and that service host agent activation runtime process won't use up your system resources anymore. First of all, what you can do is to right click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. If your task manager will look something like this, just go and click on more details. So the taskbar will show you more details, of course. Then up here in this section where you have a lot of tabs, click on Startup and locate Cortana. Of course, Cortana is used by some people to do random stuff using the microphone, but it is not that useful, and it is strictly connected to that process that takes up a lot of your CPU and RAM memory. So we're going to disable it from the startup. So after you do this, you have to know that Cortana is not fully disabled. It is only disabled from the startup, and that means it won't start up with your operating system whenever you boot up into your Windows 10 system. So after that, you can exit out from here. So now after that, we have to go into Registry Editor to edit some registries in order to stop this process, because as I've said, this process is not a important system process and you can easily disable it so it won't bother you anymore. So just click on the search box and type in here registry, right click on Registry Editor, click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Registry Editor will pop up. What you have to do next, just go and expand HKey local machine, and then go down a bit to System, expand it, then expand Current Control Set, and then expand services. In this list, you're going to have to locate these two folders. So as you can see, these two folders, AARSVC and AARSVC, and random numbers and letters 3D1AC. What you have to do next, click on the first folder, and you're going to see here a start value. Double click on the start value. As you can see, here we can edit the dword 32-bit value. You can see here that the value data is 3. So 3 means manual, but we're going to have to change it to 4, which is disabled, and then click on OK. Now go to the second folder, click on it, double click on start, change the value to 4, and then OK. Do this for both folders. So this is all you have to do. You just have to restart your PC after this and your problem should be fixed. So after the restart, if we right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager and then go up here to Services, you're going to see that these two services, AARSVC and AARSVC 37D55, are stopped. You can see here at the status, they are stopped, and that is what we have to do. We managed to stop those services. Those services shouldn't bother us anymore. We should be able to use our system resources to other apps, of course. So if this video was useful and you managed to fix your problem, don't forget to leave a like down below this video, and also subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.